this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today, I'm going to be sharing with you this look. So this is a perfect holiday glam slash Christmas makeup look. So yeah, if you're interested in this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So to start with, I'm going to use this Pretty Co Botox in a bottle oil and this just going to plump my skin. So to be very honest, मुझे ज़्यादा dramatic makeup Christmas पे करना पसंद नहीं है because I don't think you can actually wear that. So I'm just gonna do a makeup look which I know you can wear. So to hydrate my lips, I'm gonna use this lip balm. This is from the Body Shop, and basically my friend gifted this to me, and she's the sweetest. So first I'm gonna use this Lakme Blur Perfecting Primer. Next, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild primer. This is a dewy primer and I really love it. Gives that glow. Like, I love this glow. Just have a look. Look. This just makes my skin so radiant. And I only like to apply it on my cheeks. So next, I'm going to use my green corrector. And I just broke my nail. Now I'm just setting this up because it's important to set it. So next for foundation, I'm going to use this Flicker Cosmetics foundation. Basically they sent this to me, so I really want to try this. And nowadays I like to apply it like this, like to spread it evenly on my face. And then I like to blend it using a beauty blender. Now I'm going to use this Becos sponge and I'm just going to blend it. I don't know screen पर आपको कोई difference दिखता है या नहीं, but इन एक्चुअल अगर मैं यहाँ पर अपने फेस को देखूँ बहुत डिफरेंस होता है अगर मैं इस तरह से अपनी फाउंडेशन को अप्लाई करती हूँ. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस वे. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना अप्लाई सम कंसीलर. आई एम गोना यूज दिस सुप्रा आइवरी एज माय कंसीलर. I'm gonna use my brush to blend it. And I just like to dab it. So for creamy contouring, I'm going to use this Derma Palette Concealer in DJ2. And to blend it, I'm going to use a sponge. Now to set everything in one place, I'm going to use this Fit Me powder. I'm just going to apply it onto my under eyes, my nose. So it's a holiday look. I definitely gonna use a bronzer. ऐसे भी, you know, I am more of a bronzer person. So I'm just gonna apply my bronzer using tapping motions. Just gonna make sure my face looks nice, healthy, bronzed. And also for blush, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush on. And just for now, I'm just gonna use it. Also, I'm just going to dust off all the excess powder. I think my blush is looking crazy, but I'm just going to leave it like this. हम end में से थोड़ा finishing दे देंगे. अभी के लिए हम ऐसे छोड़ेंगे. Now I'm just going to spray some setting spray because my face is looking a lot weird. So right now I'm going to focus on my eyes because I need to do my eye makeup first. So I'm going to take this palette. You can take any palette which has warm tone eyeshadows. So I'm just going to take this brown shadow and I'm just going to apply it on my crease. So I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to take this darker brown shadow. So I'm just going to place it onto my outer corners. And So I'm going to take it through my crease. So now I'm just intensifying the outer corners. Trust me, जितना भी warm shadows होते हैं, जैसे brown होगा, ये सब like for holiday these are perfect. And I'm just gonna take now this peach shadow, and I'm just gonna apply it as my transition. I'll use the transition shade at the last to smoothen out everything. Browns are so safer to play with. I need a copperish side of a shadow, like not a proper goldenish one, but also not this. So I think I'm just gonna mix these two, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lids. Let's see. I think this is a bit dark. This one is a bit lot of goldeny. Okay, I'm not doing any cut crease or anything because I know सबको नहीं आता, and I want this tutorial to be very helpful, like because even I am planning to go somewhere this Christmas. So now I'm going to take the same darker brownish shadow. I'm just going to apply it on my outer corners. Now I'm going to use this TS Cosmetic loose glitter. This is their basically loose pigment. So I'm going to use it for my lids, and let's see how it's going to look. So I think they pretty much look okay. Basically camera में इतना दिख ही नहीं रहे मुझे, जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है. I'm gonna use a liner, so I'm gonna draw a good liner. So I'm gonna use this Lakme Instant Liner. This is one of the best liner. So I applied the liner. Now I'm going to wear some falsies. So these are the mink lashes. These are not that dramatic. So I'm just going to wear it and we'll be back. Basically, I've applied the lashes and also did my this brow. So I'm using this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. And I'm just going to draw a line upwards. So I'm back and I wore these lenses, and oh my god, these look so stunning. Like, these are so good, and these are again from Aqua Colors. I love their lenses. So next I'm gonna use a green shadow for my waterline. Okay, I'm loving this little smokiness under my eyes. So for my waterline, I'm going to use this Flicka Cosmetic eye pencil. So I'm pretty much done with my eye makeup. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, and you can see how much I love this product. Take it. I'm just going to apply it on my face. As for my lips, I'm going to wear this lipstick from Flicka Cosmetics. Wondering what this on my lips? It's basically the face paint from PAC. I almost forgot about mascara. Apply this Mars mascara. And pretty much this is the finished look. So yeah, that's all for this look. I am in love with it. It's such a stunning look, and it's also super wearable. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.